Continue. Okay. Go ahead. Okay.
Hello.
Yes.
Okay.
Hello, my name is Olga.
My
I'm
name
from
is
Russia.
I'm from Turkey.
And today we'll focus our attention on cleaning.
Yes. First, let's imagine that we are in a holiday and we are laying down on the sand and looking at the sea, enjoying our moments. But when we come back to our home, we will see a different scene. All the tables full of dust and dirt, and
The same happen if you come back from a business trip, and for example, if you live in a big city, it's special problems that you sometimes can't even breathe because of smoke. So maybe this mass gas will be a solution for this. But we will offer you another solution. It's our iClean Smart Vacuum machine.
with this machine, if you have children, small children, if you have pets, you don't need to worry about it anymore because our machine will worry about your children as you worry about your children and as you care about your children.
So and now let's look at this machine in detail. Its features. Self-propelled. So this machine works as a robot. You don't need a company. It just by yourself. It's clean every surface, even hard to reach. Knock at the corner of your home. Pick up pet hairs from everywhere, from carpet, and also it's pick up hairs, dust, allergens, and after and behind leave fresh and healthy air because of air filters. And also, this machine has one onboard time scheduling. What does it mean? What does it mean? So it's clean where it's convenient to you. For example, if you want that your home will be clean every day when you come back from your work, you just choose the time and schedule it. Or if you're going on a business trip or for holidays, you just choose a day when you come back and just click in your time scheduling. Also, it's self-cleaning because of link pressing technology. All dust will be just pressed in a small box, and this machine leaves this box in onboard homeboard.
So the other main features of this machine, it can charge itself. We will just put a home base where there's electricity and we don't need to charge this machine. When the machine knows that the battery is about to finish, about to get over, it will go and charge itself without any kind of authorization. And between cleanings, it will make the cleaning process very continuously without any kind of interruption. And with our new technology also we have longer battery life than any other home equipments because with its sophisticated power management software it can use the optimal power to clean the house. For example, if the house is not dirty at all, it will use a different vacuum power, for example. And how it knows where is the dirt and where is not, where is clean, it will use optical and acoustic sensors. For example, now this technology is getting used by Google auto driving cars, for example. They have their own sensors, and with those sensors they can travel without crashing anywhere. Also our machine will use those optical sensors and at the same time acoustic sensors. Why acoustic sensors? Because it will, with acoustic sensors, it will also see the dust. It will get the dust knowledge. And what about artificial intelligence? When we put our machine in our home, when we assemble our machine, it will learn by the process. When it collects the dirt, it will know the next time it will collect the data every time and it will know. For example, when for example, always the kitchen is getting much more dirtier. When it gets the kitchen, when it collects the data of the kitchen, it will know that the kitchen gets dirtier, and it will go to kitchen for the first time, and it will collect the dirt much more powerfully.
And now let's look at very important innovation of this machine. It's a smart cleaner. So by wireless internet connection, you can from every part of the world where you stay.
Please clean my house.
Yeah, just click that this machine start clean. So because in our world everything is going to be smart.
Yeah.
So with the smart technology, this machine also, for example, if you meet your friend and you want to invite them to your home, but your home is not really clean, so you just click it in your smartphone and machine start cleaning.
Yes. So we don't need additional some system to connect with our machine, because all of us we have internet connection at our home, and our machine will connect wireless while we are connecting our machine with our smartphone apps. Currently we have iOS and Android applications, but our engineers, they are still working on Microsoft mobile application. And with these applications we will also have detailed cleaning analysis. What do I mean about detailed cleaning analysis? I mean how many grams of dirt it collected, where it
Data.
yes, where did it go, where did it
Dust
go?
and data collection.
Yes, and we will know our about environment much more better.
And also in this moment, by this date, you will see, for example, where this machine has some problem for cleaning, maybe something or disturbed. And now about product range. We have two models: it's household model and industrial model. Household model includes all features of Smart Clean, which I already explained you. An industrial model plus this features has also more power vacuum, more levels of cleaning, and up to 50% length of battery life, because you can use it for any kind of business. You can use it for hospitals, for schools, for everything, for every office. And also we offer a good price for Smart Clean.
Marketing. This is our marketing plan. Our clients, we try to reach every person in the world. With this mission, we are focusing on every house, because everyone needs to clean their house. No one can live without cleaning their house. But at the same time, with our industrial version of this mission, we also want to sell our product to the businesses, all kind of businesses and public services. Before starting, we want to get funded. We want to get our initial money to do the mass production with crowdfunding. While we are doing crowdfunding, we will also promote our machine in crowdfunding websites like Indiegogo or Kickstarter. Those websites, they are working like we represent our machine, and we want people to support us if they want us to produce this machine. And when they support us with the initial money, they will also get sales when we produce our machine. After we produce our machine, we will start selling our machine in our internet store. By the same time, we are making instructional tutorials about our machine in YouTube. Because we want to show how our machine works. And after, we want to go to expositions. We want to promote in expositions.
So what do you mean by direct contact?
We will call. We will
okay.
For the big business, for example, for the hospitals,
for hotels, we will meet with directors and we will discuss about it.
But the most important thing here, I think, it's the promoter stands in shopping malls, because people, they are hesitant to buy the product when they see the product. When they just see the product, they need to see how that product functions. They need to see.
How does it function? With the rags, with carpets, does it work?
Yes, all floors, carpet, everything.
Yes, it collects all the dirt from here, and we also have air filters up to this machine. With air filters, we want to prevent because it cannot go up. That's why it needs to take the air, cleanse the air also.
Why two pictures? Black
Because
and
it's
white?
different colors.
Uh-huh.
It
Also,
has
we
different-
we
if
have
you
three different
choose,
colors.
Even more.
But
Oh, sure.
for the initial
Yeah.
stage, we want to have black, white, and black and white together. So a range of products.
So, in conclusion, I just underline one more time the key features of this machine. So, first of all, a smart cleaning, and you don't need to stay near this machine when it's cleaning. So, and with self-cleaning, with pressing of dust, with sensors, with air fresh filters, this machine will make the process of cleaning enjoyable for you and resolve all problem of cleaning.
Thank you.
for your
Thank you.
attention.
Thank you. Carmen, you listened to their presentation, pretty similar in terms of idea, but is there any added value or anything different that you noticed from your idea?
Their idea is more
Technological, because
Yeah.
of distant
and
command.
more complex.
A little bit more complex, so yours is not. What do you think of Carmen's idea instead? What is the difference in terms of?
I think it's a good idea also because it's different. It's recycling. It's separated recycling, so it's also did another way for cleaning for
different
any
tasks,
yeah.
Mhm.
But I can propose something. Also, I can.
Go ahead. I also have. Maybe you have the same idea that I
Yeah,
have.
I
Go
love
ahead,
it.
Mert.
I think about environmental issues, we tend to not to see the problem in the long run. If we want to promote this technique, this machine, we need to put it in a social way also. For example, if you connect this machine with Facebook account, for example, when you recycle, if your Facebook account shows that you recycled that amount of product,
Yes.
it can promote people to buy this product, and it can make people share.
No, I
their
had
stuff.
another social weird idea. That maybe robots can become friends. You have two robots at home, one for recycling, and the other one that takes care of dust and everything else. Like, okay, Elena, do you want to ask?
So the dust in yours, then how does it work? Then where does the dust end up?
So just the dust come from here, and inside there is a place where all dust just pressed in one small box, and then this box will be thrown in home base.
Oh, okay, but not on a regular base. Like you don't have to do it.
No,
You don't have to do it.
no.
Every-
Just a machine cares about it.
Oh, the machine does it. Okay.
Yeah, the machine when it's full, the machine can press and can take it out off in home base.
Yeah,
When
home
it's
base,
charged up.
base, where is the charge, where is the battery,
Yeah.
the same machine, just because it's a smart machine, so by intellect it just comes back to home base and leaves this box.
Okay.
Carmen, why is this idea? Why the motivation that
Because
encouraged you to invent?
it's innovative idea and it reduce much time and
And you think that recycling is important?
yeah,
Ah,
because the different weight can reduce the pollution in general and
Your motivation is that.
Do you like cleaning? Do you want to spend time for cleaning?
Yes, some people like cleaning though.
Really?
Really?
Some people, yeah.
Maybe it's just one unique person
Yes,
who
yes.
doesn't
Or-
want to buy a machine.
Oh yeah, I really like your question. Merita, do you want to add something?
Oh, we want to use our high technology, making our life easier. It's okay for everything. I want to make mine easy. If there is technology, why don't we use it?
So we can relax.
Yes,
Yeah,
definitely.
and forget about cleaning
Yes.
forever.
Now, getting back to class. Any activity that you liked in class in a particular way? Olga.
Please. I like because it was really interactive. Also, always connect, we discuss, and also for me it was interesting to find, for example, paper everywhere. It was a good idea, just because of collocation. It was a collocation, yeah.
I think text cohesion maybe.
Yeah, it's a text cohesion. So we have just one part and another part we should to find everywhere. So
This is something that you can show in the meeting in July, in June, July, whenever.
yeah, I enjoyed it.
Okay. I like the text. Carmen, in your case?
I like the reading activity,
Mm-hmm.
watching the video,
Mm-hmm.
and
Any topic in particular that you remember, Carmen?
marketing.
Uh-huh. That was part of the book.
Yes.
Uh-huh. You used the CMC, by the way. There was a marketing section there. The CMC website. The
The important concept.
No. Do you remember the self-study, the CMC project that you were asked to cover for your self-study, autonomous study? The table, do you remember? You don't remember? CMC, did you look at the... Did you use CMC? Yes.
Yeah.
Did you like the marketing unit or what unit
Yeah,
did you
I
like?
like marketing because of lexicon, and also I remember presentation
Mhm.
because it
Oh,
was
yes.
a good example of a presentation.
Okay. Mert, in your case, for your self-study?
My self-study was kind of a different self-study.
We're interested to know. We're interested. Let us know. What did you do?
Because I came late this semester, that's why I did another self-study
Yeah,
to...
I remember.
I
And what did you self-study?
what did I do? I started studying economy this semester, this
Okay,
year.
okay.
Before I was studying international relations. That's why I took courses of economics, microeconomics, microeconomics, and other business strategy
So
courses.
for your English self-study, what did you do?
I studied from Coursera. It's a how do they call it? Mass learning material, like professors from the Ivy League universities.
Okay.
They are giving courses,
Like academic
lessons,
course.
definitely.
Okay.
And other studies.
Great. Okay. No,
And for me, I also watched film. For example, it's Inside Joke. You know,
Yeah.
it was about crisis, economic crisis. So it's good.
Yesterday, in one of the Unical Creativa events, Simone unfortunately forgot to invite you, and I was so sorry. We looked, we met together, we met again, but we watched the documentary, and it was about economic crisis. It was not economic crisis, no, I'm sorry. It was about desertification and climate change, but it was very interesting. Something that we will probably show again here at the class. Your self-study, Carmen, I can't believe that you didn't do self-study. It was an important requirement. PLA website?
Yeah.
CMC? Oh, PLA. What did you do? Do you have your table?
No.
No?
But you did it.
No.
right?
You did it. What did you do?
I did about business.
And finance.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
I watched the video
All right.
and writing exercise
Also activities.
and the listening. is
And
very
listening.
important.
Listening is very important. We found out at the beginning you were scared, but then you found out how important it is. Well, I think we can stop at this point. Okay. Now it was. Now we will show you your results, and we will see how.
Smart? Oh.
Very good, very good. Madonna! Unbelievable. No, but
Well done.
well